Hi, good people. Let's talk about the artificial intelligence digitizer tools. And there's a plugin for QGIS called the Mapflow. So today I want to show you how to automate digitization in terms of if you're getting building footprints, how can I get these shapefiles real fast than doing the manual digitization way. So this is a technique for artificial intelligence and is a tool that has been developed for digitization. So some of you talk about geo AI, geospatial artificial intelligence. So some of the tools we use are a tool or a plugin in QGIS called Mapflow. Now I want to just take you through by first loading the layers. I would load a Google satellite OpenStreetMap. You double click, you just have to go to XYZ tiles and then OpenStreetMap, or you can go to web and then you say OpenStreetMap. All right. And then click OpenStreetMap and it will appear here. So I'll go all the way to Kenya, Nairobi. So I want to probably pick a segment to get building footprints. Now I will definitely try going to this section where we have our headquarters. That's the Adi House. So this is in Gong Avenue. So probably I want to get the buildings that are within or I want to digitize these Adi House building or buildings along this Gong Road. So what I have to do is to create a polygon, right? Now I will create a polygon by coming to the layer. Then I'll say create layer, a new shapefile. I'll give it a name by browsing over here. And I'll call these as an AI study area. So I'll click save. My geometry type will be a polygon, and then I want to give it a new field, probably right here the ID, or leave it blank depending on you, and then I'll click OK. The field ID has not been added. Are you sure you want to? I'll just say OK. So once I go to my layers, you'll see I have my polygon created. So I want to toggle the editing. um, I'll come here and they say toggle editing, which makes this editor tool active. So once I have these active, I can be able to also go to properties. Uh, so once it's active, I'll pick this tool and say I want to create a polygon and get the buildings around this area. So I'll just click real time from here to here to here to here and then finish this and say okay. I can be able to edit my properties in the symbology. I want just to have an outline, simple line. I should make these color red, okay, for transparency. So you can see this is my area of study, and I want to get the buildings in here. We have the Adi House building and some other buildings just in this polygon. So I will go to my plugins and then say manage and install plugins. Here you're gonna type this Mapflow. So when you type Mapflow, this is the tool that's gonna pop up. And you can see the plugin is an experimental version, which is available. So it's an AI plugin for mapping pipelines, building footprints, and the rest of the things. So I'll pick up and say reinstall plugin. Okay. So once this is done, you will be able to see this icon, which is the map flow. So you're going to click on this, right? Then here, um, if you don't have an account with Mapflow, it's going to take you to a default workspace whereby you're going to create an account, and you can have token to proceed with your AI digitization. So right here, study area, study area, and then I believe my data source as the Mapbox satellite. Then I'll need my AI model as buildings. These buildings are going to come classified, and then they're going to have height estimations. And once I have these, I can say start processing, and then I click OK, and we will notify you when the processing has finished. So you can see I have my building extraction process ongoing here, and the progress and the status are shown on the environment for processing. So you will be patient until the procedure just finishes. One thing you need to know is that this procedure needs good internet. So you must have a strong internet, because you can be working on large areas and you need these um, buildings listed or extracted in real time. So my internet is actually slow as of now, but will I will mute this recording, or I will pause it so that once it finishes, I am able to show you the results. Okay. Okay, so I'll pause this